Ang 13th month pay po ba ay pwede nilang bawasan o kaltasan? Kasi work ko po ay cashier. May ibabawas daw pong short, kaya naka-hold po ang 13th month pay ko. Ano pong magandang gawin? Well, unang-una, friends, be aware na ang 13th month pay ay hindi pwede i-hold ng employer. Bawal po yan. Nasa batas po yan, no? Dapat i-release yan on or before December 24 of the current year. So, sige po, sagutin ko yung question ni ma'am or ni sir in a concise, direct, and with example. Alright, let's get started. Pwede nga ba na bawasan ang 13th month pay ng employee? Answer, there is no specific provision in the law prohibiting employers from deducting debts from an employee's 13th month pay. Any deduction should be done in accordance with the employee's consent and applicable labor laws. Simply said, friends, walang nakasulat sa batas po na mag-prohibit sa employer, no, na mag-deduct sa 13th month pay ng employee. However, kung may deduction po, kailangan may consent or approval ng employee. Dapat i-inform ang employee before deducting sa 13th month pay po niya. Kasi meron tayong mga labor laws. Okay, so employer should obtain written consent of the employee before deducting any amount from the 13th month pay. The deduction should be voluntary and not coerced. So simply said, friends, ang employer dapat no mag-obtain ng written consent sa employee. Hindi pwede verbal. Dapat i-inform siya ng employer or ng HR ng company na may deduction po ang 13th month pay niya and with written consent. Kailangan may perma po niya or nagsasabi doon na he or she will allow the deduction sa kanyang 13th month pay. Dapat meron kayong kasulatan, written consent ang nakalagay. Right? So, ang deduction na yan is voluntary. So, kung malaki ang amount, tapos hindi magpayag ang employee, pwede yung employee mag-request na yung kaya lang po niya na amount. Huwag namang malaki. Kasi hindi na ma-enjoy ng employee ang 13th month pay niya. Right? So, ang 13th month pay is benefit po yan ng employee. Lalong-lalo na pag December. So, meron siyang panggastos sa Christmas tsaka New Year. Alright? If there is a dispute or disagreement regarding the deductions from your 13th month pay, you can seek assistance from the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE or consult with a labor attorney for guidance. So very clear friends, no, kung may disagreement kayo sa employer ninyo, hindi siya magpayag, hindi ka rin magpayag, so mag-seek ka ng assistance sa office ng DOLE or consult with a labor lawyer or attorney for guidance. By the way, ang information natin is hindi po ito personal opinion but based po sa research ko, no? So, big thanks po sa Respisyo Law Office po. So, may nabasa ako doon and then ito po. Salamat po, attorney. You provided a helpful information, no? Gi-share ko lang sa ating viewer. Thank you, attorney. So, hope na nasagot ko yung question ni sir or ni ma'am. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.